Wow. Is that blue? Look at this. It's big and it's tan. Oh my God. I'm at Jackson Creek today. I'm gonna go across the street and avoid having to trudge through all the water so I can hit up the Ramp Creek outcropping at the very end of the T. I kind of want to sight that place out today since the water's probably a little lower. So I think I can get there right here. Yeah. It's a lot of avoided tiring leggings. Leggings. I go down here to the end of the T, and there's a outcropping of some Ramp Creek formation stuff, and I have been finding really nice stuff. Found some barite last time, and then I also found some dolomite, so I'm gonna try and see if I can get at it better since the water's lower. So hopefully it's low enough to be able to kind of look around there, because that's where I want to be. Focus all my energy there today. I tried a couple other places, but I think it was far too it was too above. It's glass, right? Yeah, it's too above the actual Ramp Creek formation. So you can see some what looks like maybe some Borden group starting to show down there. So Ramp Creek and then Harrodsburg after that. Oh yes, this is so much lower. And this is what I was hoping for. Some chalcedony. A little chillier today. I'd say it's probably mid-40s. But the fact that you're constantly moving, it keeps you warm. Should be all Ramp Creek. This is some protruding out right there. Whew, it's kind of deep. Alright, just coming down this creek a little bit, I'm already starting to see some tan geodes. And there's some outcropping up there, which I could crawl up there. I could probably try and get at it, but I'm kind of itchy from a couple of weeks ago, so I'm probably not gonna. I don't know how much farther I can walk in this creek, because it looks like it gets kind of low. Well, the creek is definitely much more user-friendly today. I mean, it's half the turbulence it was. And look at this. It's big and it's tan. Oh my God. Big and tan, but it's pretty heavy. That is exactly what I'm looking for here. Tan geodes of that size. God, that's cold. Oh. My God, it's freezing. It's Rattler. Oh wow, that's light. I hope that one's not too this is sharp to calcite, but yeah. Barite can be like a light goldish yellow to clear. That is definitely just calcite. Definitely just calcite. Ooh. There's a good one. Big dog-tooth calcite points. That's freaking cool. Not bad. Wow. Yeah, some really good looking calcite. If I could. Wow. If I could just get this little edge off. I gotta be careful though. I don't know, that might have been a bad thing to do. Yeah, that was a bad idea. Let's just hope this one has redeemable qualities to it. Come on now. Yeah, it's solid. Dang it. It's okay. Oh, that's so cold. There's a couple of good ones. Uh-oh. Oh boy. And I cut myself. Nice little quartz piece on the side there. Ooh. Nice. I think I can deal with that. Might be able to keep that. That's some neat calcite formations. That's one. It feels pretty light. Huh. Yep, that's a geode. Let's see what we have in door number 17. We have a crawdad. What the hell are you doing? Is that red? I'm gonna let you go, bud. Bloop. Interesting. Keep sending him somewhere back in the long ago, Geode. This one is light. I'm gonna move my stuff over to this beach right here now. Holy crap, my hands are so freaking cold. Gotta keep them moving, keep them warm. I'm okay. I promise. Is that blue? What the actual hell? It's blue. Interesting. Huh. Might keep this. See what looks like geodes over here, but they're probably just balls of mud. So you're like, oh, that's a geode. You pick it up and you're like, oh, that's just mud. Maybe that's how they form. Because it looks just like a geode. But not gonna be much over there. This is where I found that barite geode. It seems to have vanished. Maybe it's up there. I'm gonna go check out this area over here again, because this is where all the primo stuff was at last time I was here. Like, you see one there, it's real hollow and it's got dolomite in it. Just, excellent. Falling out of the rock right here. I'm gonna kind of go this way a little bit. Totally filled with calcite. Totally calcite, maybe looks like some sort of black hematite or some weird thing. Well, I haven't had much luck finding any more tan boys. Found this one, it's a Rattler. I guess I can crack it open quick and see if it's any decent. Any decent? Is that even a phrase? I see a nice place to crack it too. Do a real gentle hack. Dolomite, calcite. Very, very aesthetic piece. It's got all three of them: calcite, dolomite, quartz. It's quite aesthetic, but I don't need it. I've got plenty of dolomite, calcite, and quartz pieces.